Good morning everybody, welcome to another beautiful August day down here at work. Evening everybody. Well, tonight fireworks and they're going to be set off over here. Excuse the pontoon because it squeaks like an old granny's fanny. That's where they're going off. Gonna try and get the drone up as well. One of the perks of working on the water down here on the Barbican is when the fishermen come in. Seeing all the trawlers. Obviously it's been a week on since that horrific incident down here in Plymouth. It seems everything's getting back to kind of normality at the moment, which is good. The fireworks did a dedication. Both nights were dedicated to them. I got some of the first night on a different note. If you didn't know, well, you wouldn't have known because I didn't know it was happening until recently. The 4th of September is the Men's Day Out down here in Plymouth, and it's to do with St Luke's Hospice here. It was supposed to happen last year, but obviously with COVID, it didn't happen. So 2 weeks ago I got an email saying it's back on. So on the 4th of September I'm doing the Men's Day Out, which is a 6 mile walk around Plymouth. And obviously to raise funds for the hospice down here. So I'll leave a link in the description for my Just Giving page, and I'll probably try and put it somewhere around here. Now, if it didn't work, that makes me look stupid, but hey ho. So yeah, if you can give us a sponsor, sponsor us, anything will do. Obviously has to be money. That'd be great. I know it's only 2 weeks away. Like I said, I only got the email saying that it's back on 2 weeks ago. Right, let's get down to work. Let's get this big boat all done and have another great day driving the ferry. Well, it's still August, and I don't know if you can tell in the background there that it is throwing it down. You ready?
Yeah.
You got everything?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Got me lucky stones.
Have you put your lucky stones?
In my bra. It's not like I can cheat with a couple of stones, is it?
Well, no, I suppose. But then, you know.
I ain't that clever. As you know, it's my 5th time.
Let's hope it's the last, love, eh?
I hope so. It's starting to cost a lot. As long as I don't fail the driving one, because that's even more expensive, isn't it?
I don't know, is it? How much is that time?
67, 68 quid a go.
How much?
Yeah. Got watching. Told you I should have had breakfast.
Well, that's your fault for not making it, isn't it? But you could have made me some then as well. What time you got to go in?
I've got to be in for 2:15, so I'll just go in now.
Alright, well, come in. Good luck.
Thank you. Watch my lucky stones.
You going to text me when you're out?
Yeah.
Give us a farewell fingers up.
Huh?
Give us a farewell fingers up. She failed again. She's pretty upset. Go for it.